How to ping your Apple Watch with iPhone. So let's get started. First, you need to add the ping shortcut to your control center, then evoke the control center and tap the Apple Watch icon to the ping. Here is how the process goes. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to launch the control center. If you have an iPhone with a home button, you can swipe up from the bottom to access the control center. Now, tap the plus icon at the top left corner to enter edit mode. Then select the add a control option at the bottom. Now, scroll down to the watch control section and select ping my watch tile. That's it. Now, when you want to ping your Apple Watch, open Control Center and tap the ping watch control. It should start ringing and vibrating. If you own multiple Apple Watches, the sound will be played on the watch selected in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.